pull-up is one of the hardest upper body exercises to do. And if you thought you know how to do it right, think again. I've given Deepak a challenge and a list of some of the toughest pull-up variations that there are. He's warming up, but let's see if he can do it right. The first on the list is a closed grip chin-up. This requires an underhand grip which supinates the arms and so helps get more assistance from the biceps. And Deepak is definitely doing this right, so score. Next up is a closed grip pull-up. The closed grip keeps the focus on the biceps and the forearm and is much harder on the arms than a regular pull-up. Score for Deepak again. Moving on to the closed grip alternated pull-up. This is quite a difficult variation as it shifts focus from one side of the lats to the other. And Deepak can check this one off too. He's doing very well in the challenge so far. Let's crank up the challenge now. With the archer pull-up or the climbing pull-up, while pulling up here, you also pull your body to one side and extend one arm straight. This variation shifts focus on the muscles of one side of the body and needs more stability in the shoulder girdle. Even more challenging is the kipping pull-up. It's done on a swinging support and has been highly popularized by CrossFit. In this variation, Deepak swings his body so his chin goes on the bar. This variation requires much more support from the lower body and the core to complement the pulling action. And lastly, the plyo pull-up. This adds dynamite and power to your whole system.
Variations are many, but the classic pull-up itself is quite challenging.
A classic pull-up activates your upper body muscles, primarily your lats and triceps at the back, supported by the biceps and forearms in front. It is one of the most difficult exercises in the bodyweight section because pulling requires huge amounts of strength. Also, there is practically no help coming from the massive stabilizers of the core as your body is suspended.
If you are a beginner, here is how you can start.
If you are a beginner, start with a standing wall angel. This helps the body understand the movement of pulling and activates the posterior muscles. Move into an assisted chin-up. This is a pull-up with support from the machine, but you can vary it according to the intensity you want to work at. So if your body weight is 50 kgs and you're taking support of 25 kgs from the machine, then you are only pulling up 25 kgs with your muscles. The rest is supported. Try the incline pull-up with feet on the ground. This is a natural progression from assisted to incline. Here you are not completely suspended because your heels are on the ground. Keep practicing the mighty pull-up and maybe one day you too can rise up to the perfect body pull-up challenge.
Well, I think I won the challenge.